We were pretty green at manufacturing when we started Hardware Scaleup, and it was a great opportunity to take our designs, which were just at the early prototype level, and take them to the next manufacturing level. And now we have the mentorship and the connections that we need to continue this process going forward.
Before Hardware Scaleup, we were a very early stage company. We had a prototype that we thought we could move very quickly into high volume production. Once we joined the program, we did a deep dive through all of the steps that are really necessary to make it to a high volume production. And what we found quickly is that everything needs to be done in a staged approach to help de-risk the technology, but to de-risk each manufacturing method and to make sure products meet quality standards. So with that, we learned our process and how we're supposed to manage our technology as we move into market.
The biggest learning for Hub Controls as part of the Hardware Scaleup program was what we needed to do to bring our US product prototype through to a full manufacturing readiness level.
We have learned so many things from this process and this program, and we thank everyone that's been a part of it. We've been able to take our prototype and bring it to production, which is an amazing feat. And it wouldn't have been possible without the guidance and the feedback and resources provided by the Hardware Scaleup program. We greatly thank them, and we recommend this program to everyone.
Prior to Hardware Scaleup, we felt like we had a very mature supply chain. The biggest benefit of Hardware Scaleup was providing us a framework so that we could analyze our existing supply chain and identify the weak links.